Herbs are derived from the Latin word herba, which means grass, and herbs, which is consist of entire plant or part of the plant. Herbs shouldn't be woody in nature. Now, the herbal medicines is known as herbalism or phytomedicine. Basically, these are the part of plant or the whole plant that usually unprocessed or in crude form, which has medicinal values called herbal medicine. But we have to note that the digitalis, which is a herbal medicine, but when we extract the digitoxin from and other glycoside from it, it will and that digitoxin and glycoside will not called the herbal medicine. They are called isolated drug. Now, herbal drug development. In herbal drug development, the herbs are being extracted by the fractional distillation, purification, concentrating, fermentation, and all. For example, morphine. Now, after herbal drug preparation, we'll do the herbal medicine product. In this, the drug plus API is given to form the product. Source of herbs like wild sorts and cultivated sorts. Wild sorts are basically taken from anywhere, and it has low API value, and it is not basically not time consuming. It just randomly we select, but in cultivation is time requiring, more labor require, money require. But here the API form is like at the good amount. Now, steps involved in selection and identification processes of raw material is selection of herbs, identification and authentication of the herbal material, and then the collection of medicinal plant and collection of herbs and processing of herbal medicine. We'll study in the next lecture.